Hello everyone! I'm excited to tell you about the project I've been building called NearPass. It is a password management tool. Basically, it is an application which will help you keep track of your passwords on the internet. And what makes it special? Well, for instance, though corporations are storing or handling your data, everything is safely and securely stored in smart contract running under Near blockchain. First, I will talk a bit about how it works from UI perspective, and in the end I will outline some future plans for this application. I also uploaded video talking about security, so anyone using this application can feel safe. Feel free to check it out. So, without further ado, let's dive into the application itself. When a user first visits NearPass website, he is greeted with clean UI explaining what the project is, how it works, a bit about future goals, and some technical details. I highly recommend to have a look there. Moving on, let's get into the application. If I click sign up, I can log in with my wallet and start using NearPass. Login process is pretty standard, as you can see. When we arrive into the application itself, we first need to set up our passphrase. This passphrase will be key to our security, so it is important to have it as strong as possible, as indicated by the strength bar below. After I set up passphrase, I can add my Instagram password. I entered password here, username here, password here, and in the end I include a link so I can access it more easily from the dashboard. In the end, I approve the transaction. We need to do this only first time, and then we shouldn't have to do this for at least next 15 passwords. You can see this demonstrated if I just create another password. My storage is actually prepaid, so I don't need to approve the transaction anymore because it will only cost gas from now on. You can then delete this password as easily, or edit your Facebook password, or view the record as you would expect. Now let's do this again with an account which doesn't have enough Near to save the password. The login process is the same. If I try to add a new password, user is informed he does not have enough balance and he can buy a NearPass starter package which will automatically send him enough Near for gas fees and prepays for his storage in smart contract, so he has enough Near to store at least 30 passwords. This was done to decrease friction for users which are not familiar with Web3 space. In the end, I would like to outline that this could be a really great project to onboard new users into Web3. We could build a browser extension to make saving and loading passwords much easier. We could also build mobile application for the same reason, and I would like to add saving other forms of data, for example credit card information, into the application as well. Possibilities are endless and I'm excited for this project's future. Thanks for taking your time to listen about NearPass.